the shopping paradise. Hong Kong is the collection and distribution center of the world's famous brands. Shopping is one of the city's real attractions, pero make sure that you pay less and not more. Kaya narito ang aming tips ni Kian on where to shop and what to buy when you're in Hong Kong. Ang aming first shopping destination, Langham Place dito sa Mong Kok District. Alam mo, pag nandito ka sa Hong Kong, bawat kanto yata, meron kang makikitang shopping mall. At nandito po kami ngayon sa isa sa mga kilalang shopping malls. Ito po ang Langham Place. Kung napapansin niyo po, ay mag-isa lamang po ako. Dahil as usual, si Kian Kazemi, late nagising. Hindi siya late nagising. Sabihin na lang natin, masyado siyang natuwa sa breakfast. At natagalan siya. Pero alam mo naman, dito sa Hong Kong, importante sa kanila na you leave on time. Kaya kapag kayo po mga dear trippers ay pupunta dito para mag-tour, make sure na sumunod kayo sa oras na itinakda sa inyo ng mga guide ninyo. So habang wala pa si Kian, who's on his way, by the way, pinasakay ko na siya ng train. Ikot na lang ako dito. Dito talaga sa Hong Kong, big deal sa kanila yung mga Halloween. Kung nakikita yung mga nasa likod namin, yan. Yan po yung isa sa mga pwede mong suotin kapag may pupunta kang Halloween party. At ito po ang pinaka matinding.
Nandito ka pala! Akala ko!
Finally, nakarating ka!
Nandito ako dito! May kausap ako! It's my friend!
At dahil late si Kian, meron siyang parusa. Kailangan nung magsuot ng costume.
Nako!
At tumayo dito habang umiikot ako.
I got carried away. Ang sarap kasi ng fresh buffet nila sa hotel.
Diba mga trippers? Sabi ko sa inyo, breakfast lang ang dahilan kung bakit siya nanili. Tapos ako, makita mo, in a relationship. First time. Being one of the trendiest malls in Hong Kong, Langham Place Shopping Mall offers a comprehensive shopping and dining experience. Hong Kong is a shopping mecca, especially during sales season. But even if it's not in season, most malls and shops offer special promos and discounts to happy shopaholics. At sa aming walang katapusan na shopping trip dito sa Hong Kong, kami po ni Kian ay napadpad dito sa DNA Mall, one of the more, kumbaga, trendy stores that they have here in Hong Kong.
And it's mostly local brands na talagang pinupunta ng mga tao na gusto ng unique experiences when it comes to items like the one behind me. Yan naman yung mga stock nila dito. Talagang hindi ko nahanap to basta-basta.
DNA Galleria is one of the hip and trendy malls for funky fashionistas. Here you can find stylish items at great bargain prices. Plenty of choices, high quality, low prices are just some of the reasons Hong Kong shopping is world-renowned. Marami mang mall dito sa Hong Kong. Ang pinaka main attraction, kumbaga, pagdating sa shopping, ay yung kanilang mga open markets. And one of the places that you shouldn't miss when you have all the money in the world is Yamate.
Yes sir, lumalabas pag gabi. Tuwing gabi lang po sila dito, syempre dahil night market ang tinatawag natin. Obviously, they open at 6 to 12. And then you can find all sorts of good bargains and good finds na hindi mo mahanap basta-basta sa mga mall dahil yung mga ibang artifacts dito talagang locally made, tas handmade talaga, and the quality is really good.
Ang mas masayang part pala kapag ikay napupunta sa open market ay yung pag-bargain, yung mga tipong, how much? 50 Hong Kong? No, give me for 10 only. And this guy, in fairness sa kanya, napabilib niya ako, yung binibenta na 60 Hong Kong, minibigay sa kanya ng 20.
Kasi ang style dyan, ano, bibili, okay, you know what, okay, bye-bye. Okay, come on please, 20 na, ganyan.
Ganyan siya. Temple Street Night Market is filled with a variety of inexpensive items, popular with both tourists and locals alike. It is one of Hong Kong's well-known open-air night markets. Kami ni Kian, sa halip na mag-shopping, iba ang aming pinagtuunan ng pansin, ang mga fortune teller. Yeah, love life.
Susulat na to.
No more husband.
Wala mo mag-question.
Sabi mo,
Love baby.
Maybe you
Ex-husband.
cover yourself first.
Hindi po
Don't need to scale.
Okay.
Just tell me the meaning.
So like that?
Voilà.
Okay.
You think your time. So you set up a timing, maybe 3 months.
3 months?
Voilà.
Okay.
In this 3 months, you will meet a handsome boy or not.
Oh my God.
3 months.
3 months, I will meet a handsome boy.
Kinabukasan, kakaibang shopping spree ang na-experience namin ni Kian.
Dito kami ngayon sa Harbor Center, ang pinakamalaking mall dito sa Hong Kong, para aming masaksihan ang Visa Go Hong Kong Super Shopper 2010.
Yes, and Kat, this is gonna be an adventure of a lifetime para sa mga contestants because all they have to do is shop and
Using
only
their
one
visa.
player wins. Yeah, and only one contestant from the Philippines nagkasali daw.
Oo, at 8 silang maglalaban-laban dyan from all over Asia. So hopefully, dito rin, kahit sa pag-shopping, ay makita ang galing ng Pinoy.
Organized by the Hong Kong Tourism Board and Visa, this is the first ever Visa Go Hong Kong Super Shopper. It was participated by 8 contestants all over Asia with their teammates from Hong Kong.
Alam mo, yan talaga mga babae, ang asawa ang nagsha-shopping, tapos pag sa contest, yung mister mo.
So yung misis mo nag-register. As yung nakuha, nabunot siya. Nice.
Well, good luck
sir,
sa'yo.
Galing mo yung diskarte ng Pinoy, pakita mo.
Nakapuntat lang kami. Ang Pinoy magaling mag-shopping, correct? Papakita natin yan maya-maya lamang.
Oh, Mickey, you're so fine, you're so fine, you blow my mind. Hey, Mickey, hey, Mickey,
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Visa Gold Hong Kong Super Shopper Contest. 3, 2, 1. Welcome for shopping!
The contestants were required to accomplish 4 shopping tasks, and a bag of shopping gear was given to each participating team.
Alam mo what's nice, Kian, about joining them? Nakaikot tayo sa iba't ibang shopping plazas.
Wow.
We're going to...
New Town Plaza.
Dito na rin nag-lunch ang Philippine team. At exactly 2 p.m. via SMS, natanggap nila ang instruction para sa kanilang first shopping task.
So ngayon, papunta na po kami sa first task nila. Ay, yun ay pagbili ng something special for their loved ones.
Yeah, that's true. And ano kaya bibili nila? Kasi kung pumili sila ng mamahalin, ubos agad ang pera.
Ito yung kalaban nila. Thailand.
Sa first task pa lang, mukhang nahihirapan silang pumili para sa kanilang loved ones.
Kanina, ang binili nung teammate, nung kasama natin, parang pang-massage ng neck.
Nabili niya?
Binili niya, oo. Ngayon naman, si Rainier, binibili niya ay sapatos.
Para sa Philippine team, Swarovski, PS3 game, Disney character figurine, red wine, sports shoes, ang gifts for their loved ones.
Nasa first task pa lang sila. At sobrang napagod po ang aking co-host. Wala na po siya sa aking tabi. Sana hindi siya maligaw. Alam mo guys, when you're going here sa Hong Kong at kung mag-shopping ka sa mga big malls like this, make sure na may dala kayong map. Kasi pag nagkahiwalay kayo at wala kayong roaming sa cellphone, good luck kung paano kayo magkikita-kita dito.
After accomplishing the shopping task, together with a photo of the items na kanilang binili, they have to send a task-completed text message to receive their next shopping task. Must buy items in Hong Kong. Yan ang second shopping task. The selection of items in Hong Kong is truly staggering, kaya masinsin ang pinagplanuhan ng Pinoy team ang kanilang second task. Ang kanilang unang must-buy item in Hong Kong sa bake shop nila binili. Isang scale model ng Hong Kong bus ang sunod nilang binili. Must-buy din when in Hong Kong ay mga gadgets.
Kat, Kat, kanina pa tayo naglalakad dito.
Oo nga mula dun sa isang mall, nakabalik na po kami dito sa Chim Sha Choi. And as usual, nakabuntot po kami sa kanilang dalawa.
Oo, grabe sila mamili. Talagang sinusulit nila yung pera nila. At hindi sila basta-basta bumibili. Kita mo naman, ultimo $1 Hong Kong binibilang nila para may pera pa daw sila para sa susunod na tax.
Remember, Hong Kong is a tax-free shopper's paradise. Gold is another must-buy. For their third task, most stylish items in Hong Kong naman ang kanilang hinanap. Dito sa Hong Kong, all year round, you'll find limitless bargains. From designer and imported labels at maging local brands. Kaya naman kasama ang locally designed wristwatch at wall clock na ito, jewelry and bag sa most stylish item list ng Pinoy team. Ang kanilang fourth and last shopping task, most value for money products. Practice the art of bargaining. Yan ang popular method of shopping in Hong Kong. Jade, Chinese tea set and tableware, at Chinese Lucky Gods gave the Pinoy team greater value for their money. The shopping spree lasted for 7 hours, but every contestant enjoyed each and every moment of their shopping spree.
How does it feel, sir? I mean, I'm sure kahapon napagod din kami para sa'yo. Pero ikaw?
Ito, excited ako. Kinakabahan kung sana ma-meet namin yung criteria na ano nila.
Oh, sir, sabihin mo naman sa amin ni Katkat, ano ba yung strategy mo? Dahil syempre, may mga iba-ibang kayong task na ginawa at saka talagang kailangan i-maximize nyo yung Visa card nyo. Paano yung ginawa nyo?
So, ang pinag-usapan namin ng teammate ko, yung $10,000 na binigay sa amin na Visa card, di-divide namin sa 4. So, every task is to 2,500.
No, not bad. 2,000.
Para hindi kami mag-exceed o ano.
Hindi ba kayo nagka-alinlangan o, you know, kasi yung teammate mo, iba yung pananaw niya. Ikaw, iba, baka sabi mo, gusto ko to, hindi, ito.
Hindi, mabait yung partner ko.
Oh, so, pinag-usapan, paano yung pinag-usapan yung mga bibili?
Bago kami talaga pumunta doon sa mga item, sabi niya, inaano nga niya, tinatanong niya ako kung anong bibili ko, tinatanong din niya ako.
Kumbaga, meron
Compromise.
teamwork talaga.
Correct. At saka, kasi ang importante yung diversity, kaya kailangan hindi talaga pare-pareho.
For the final judgment, each team was given 10 minutes to present their purchased items and shared some dining and shopping anecdotes. With strength and creativity, the 8 teams shared one goal, to win the first Visa Go Hong Kong Super Shopper. Among the other teams, Taiwan ang nanalo. At ang kanilang premyo, 500,000 Hong Kong dollars na Visa credit limit. Sa aming pagbabalik, Wine and Dine Festival, Winery Tour, lahat ng yan sa paboritong travel show ng bayan.